bottle chats, taking trips. Come back at 6, wake me and your child. And then won't lay today, make me wonder who you might have been playing with. Makes me wonder who you think.
Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna make another video. About to cook me and my man some breakfast. And I'm watching videos on YouTube or whatever. Y'all see I got my little natural going on. It's so hard to maintain, but yeah. I think I'm gonna go simple this morning. I think I'm gonna go eggs, rice, and bacon. Something simple. I'll be back. Get up out of there. I got everything that I need. You gotta make some more groceries, honey. Come on, man. Come on, man. Baby, she all up in this refrigerator. Okay, y'all. So I definitely thought that we had bacon, but we don't. That's so dumb. So I'm gonna cook mini rice. Sausages. So we're gonna substitute these sausages for bacon. Okay, I'm recording a video. And egg. You say you want to know who I was talking to? And egg. I got the egg. So I'm gonna make like, so just 2 of them. Well, 3. Because this little one right here. Yeah. This girl. So I'm gonna make about 4 eggs. 2 each. Yep, that's gonna be it. Yeah, so I actually thought about this vlogmas thing, right? But I don't be consistent enough to do it. I think I need to start being more consistent and get my life together, honey, because I don't never have time to do nothing. So I'm just gonna be making a regular video or whatever because I don't think the vlogging is for me. Maybe next year, but we're gonna see. Oh yeah, y'all, and I'm cleaning up, so I gotta wash these little dishes that's over here. These little dishes right there ain't too many. And then for my eggs, I'm gonna show y'all what I'm gonna cook the eggs and stuff on the eggs and the sausage. So this is the pan that we cook our eggs and sausage on. I'm about to wash it out real quick.
Take out the marker.
Excuse the baby, she want daddy. Y'all know how the baby be. There you go.
Yeah. Somehow with the marker. Right here. Yeah.
How loud the man is? He loud. Good girl. Hey. Hey, mama.
Might not be.
Hey, girlfriend. baby.
You
You being good? Or you giving mama a hard time? You being good? Or you giving mama a hard time? Which one is it? Huh? Huh? I'm about to put my water up into my rice. I don't need too much. Just enough. Since I'm not making a lot, I ain't got too much. Sit that right there. Now I'm gonna put my rice in since I'm not gonna be using too much.
No, here I come now.
I don't need too much rice. Not too much. Turn it on. Let this start cooking, and now I can be doing my getting my eggs together.
Unless y'all want to get, unless y'all, the zoo. Right here. Yeah, we try to go on the top.
Patio, I got it. There we go. Got my bowl.
I'm going up.
Baby, I'll be right back.
Trying to wait.
Like I said, I think I'm gonna do like 4 eggs.
Yeah.
Here come the baby, y'all. Hey. Hey. Don't fall now. Don't fall. Now. I'm put you over here.
Right here.
See me doing these eggs or whatever. So I'm just gonna.
The other one over here.
She just all in stuff, y'all. Look at her. Ma'am, stay out the camera.
Yeah, I see them too.
The trash.
Well, I did. Uh-oh, we got a rocket launcher.
Y'all, what y'all be putting up in y'all eggs though?
Yeah.
I'm so
The other one
sick.
jumped down and somebody shoot a rocket.
Look at her.
That's that spot. Right here.
Baby, she getting into a lot of stuff now. She just turned 1 year old. November 25th, y'all. Ma'am, please. Get out of there. Ain't nothing enough for you.
Yeah, that's him right here. And then the other one shoot a
Right back.
rocket launcher. Damn. Fucking
Y'all,
shit.
that refrigerator is so skimpy. Don't worry about that.
Yeah. Here.
I gotta
Come
go
on,
get some
guys.
groceries. Anyway, got my eggs right here. I'm finna show y'all what I'm gonna put in. So,
He right around here.
I got garlic powder,
Yeah.
onion powder, black pepper, and I think that's it. I think that's all I'm gonna put up in there. So my onion powder first. I love onion powder and garlic powder. Garlic powder next. telling y'all about this pan right here. Yeah. Gonna heat that up.
They're gonna flame up.
Both sides. So put it on 6. So they can heat up real good. Then take this butter. I'm gonna cook my eggs and the sausage at the same time. Babe, how many sausages you want? How many sausages you want?
3.
Take a little of this butter. A little more for the outside.
Oh, ain't gone.
See, I like cheese up on my eggs, so grab 2 things of cheese. I'm gonna just sit them out so
Oh, he got.
when it's done. But let me bring y'all in this side to show y'all what I'm doing.
As soon as you said it, I seen him. I started doing
This part right here gonna be for my eggs. Right here is gonna be for my sausages.
He got 2 for himself.
Whatever. This part right here for my eggs. This part for my sausages. So I'm about to take these sausages and I'm about to put them in here, y'all. And
What the fuck? How can get over there? Pick them up.
I guess I'll do 3 too.
That's different.
I think I need a little more butter. Or I should be good. Whip that thing up. Look at that. Not too much, but whip it up enough. I think I need a little more butter. Just a little more, not too much. Just a little bit. Just a little bit.
Oh, dude got picked up. Somebody picked him up. Right here. Up here.
I'm using the same fork. Stir my rice up. Sharia. Who gonna whoop me?
Yeah, him. All get in the mouth.
Eggs in there like that. Come on now. Baby, it's tearing up.
I got it. I'll be back. Hi there. I gotta get some hair. Wow, I'm all the way in the tunnel.
Something burnt out? Well, not really. So that's done too. I'm gonna slide this over here.
You got any plate?
Just slide that over there.
Right.
That's done too. Put that in there. Too much. Just enough. Pepper. And I'm gonna put a little more salt in there too. Just a little salt. I ain't putting none in there, but yeah, just a little.
Get the fuck out of here.
Y'all, here go the finished product. Got our eggs, rice, and got our sauce. And we finna tear down. That's all I got to say.
And I'm king.
Yep. Then we got more bacon.
Oh, no, I got probably
Oh, so you don't play?
That's the way it's gonna with that meat. What you put in your mouth? The egg.
the end of this video. Like, comment, subscribe. Peace.